Okay, hey, what's up? This is Adrian, and I just want to talk about a few things about biking in general, stuff. Um, I want to talk about a few things: wheel truing, my bike in general, my new light, and these new Thickslicks I got. They're my new tire. The old ones were worn out, and I had to get rid of them, or I had to replace them, because they're just, really shitty now. And I'm really excited though, because these rims have been untrued for a really long time, and I haven't been able to ride it. And today was the day I got it back, and it's rideable again. It's ready to hit the streets. So, wheel truing. I didn't really know how much it was, and I went down to the local bike shop and I paid $24 for my wheel truing. It's $12 a rim. I don't know if that's normal or not, but it didn't seem too crazy bad, I guess. He got it done. I dropped it off at 2. He got it done by like 5:30, 8. So, I like it. They all feel good. I took it for a ride today and it felt really good. So, okay, these Thickslicks tires. I kind of like them already. I read some reviews online that they're pretty good, and I just rode it one day so far, and they seem good. They have a good profile to them. They're kind of thicker, so they're good for like rough streets. And the bike shop guy recommended these for our rough Houston streets. So hopefully these will last a long time, and I'll get a lot of miles out of it and not a lot of flats. So I'm really excited about these tires. I wonder how they'll do in the rain, but there's no treads on them. They're slicks. So, I wouldn't really trust it in the rain, but we'll see. My bike in general now. So, I just want to say that, I've been riding for a few years, and then I took a break, and then my bike was kind of like all floppy and shit, and so I haven't really been riding it. But since I got it re-trued today, and I'm kind of down to start riding again, I've been thinking about how my bike, it's just a good bike, and I just wanted to let people know about maybe if you're looking into bikes like this. So mine's a single speed Specialized Langster. I really like it. It's really held up well. The only thing that have changed are the rims. This one I got from a stranger, and they're really nice rims though. They're really lightweight aluminum rims. They've held up well. These I bought at Bike Barn for like $100 and something bucks. My uncle got them for me for my birthday. They've held up well. The stock rims, I have one over here. It was kind of a piece of shit. This whole internal stuff fell apart on me, and I didn't really know how to fix it at the time, nor do I know now, but this didn't work out. So but the bike has definitely worked out. This bike, it's got a really nice, sturdy, strong, lightweight frame. It's not really too crazy heavy, not if you're a little puss or nothing. I weigh about 200 pounds, and this thing beats on the street, and it's good. You know, it's still good. It hasn't fallen apart on me. Thank the Lord. Knock on wood. Alright. Bike. You've seen it. It's good. It's got chrome. It's red. Her name is Roxanne. She's kind of bitchin'. She's got good brakes. I like the brakes. They're just hunks of metal bolted together. They're sturdy. They're not going to break on you. You know? Look at that. Short little wire. Boom. You only need a front brake. Because it's a fixed gear. And, you know, I guess you're supposed to only ride in fixed gear. Because when you have it in this right here, this other gear, it's kind of lame, you know? But, you know, I'm not judging or nothing. These, good, solid, doesn't move around. I like the tire, how it fits in here now. It's got a good look. So, this motherfucking light right here. Damn, it was... let's see. That light right there was $39.99. This Thunderbolt tail light. You know, the packaging, it's kind of cheap for $40, but the light, it's kind of cool. I'll take it off real quick. It's kind of made of a rubberized material. It's got a little USB port right here, so it's rechargeable, and it's pretty bright. Boom. Brightness. Very bright. I like it. It's got a low setting, high setting, high flashing, low flashing, off. It seems good quality. It's got a nice band that holds it on. Okay. So, light. Light's good. I like the light. I mean, is it worth $40? I don't know. Probably not. But it is a good light. And I'm really glad that's rechargeable, because I have this other little light right here, and it's not rechargeable. It takes little batteries, and I actually had to take the battery out of my guitar tuner and put it in here, and this one kind of sucks, you know. But I figure I should have at least something on this side. If I have it, put it on, you know. I mean, better be safe than sorry, I guess, right? So I also have a little bag on here. These little bags come in handy. Holds your tools. You know, you definitely want these so you can change tires easy. You know. And so, oh, also, I got some chain lube. This stuff seems to be good so far. I washed my bike today, and I also tried to clean the chain off as best as possible. And I kind of just ran some soapy water and brushed it off and stuff. And then I re-lubed it. Feels good riding. Chain still feels good. I wonder if I'll have to change the chain soon, but you know, I don't gotta worry about it right now. That's what's nice about this bike, and that's just what I want to say about this bike. I've fallen on it a few times. I've definitely rode it in the rain a lot. I used it as a commuter bike to go to school every day for like 3 years, and my school was 12 miles away for 2 years, and another school was like 14 miles away from my home. So, you know, I kind of put it through its paces, and she's been a good girl, so I'm glad she's doing me good again. Yeah, so I ended up spending that much money at the bike shop to get this baby going again. You know, kind of sucks. I had to get tubes, tires, chain lube, and a truing. And that's how much that costed. So if you're looking into those basic maintenance into your car, or I mean into your bike, that's what, you know, could be an average of what you're looking at. So thank you, Blue Line Bike Lab, established in 2005 here in Houston. I kind of like their shop. They're good. So sweet.